Alexander, question number 9 onwards, we are going to do now. Okay, Alexander Henderson, early life. Now, we've got his early life. So, the first thing is, we need to find the paragraph where they give us information about his life, right? They say here, was born in Scotland in 1831. What's the clue word? 1831. Father was a dash. Please come back. Good. 1831, first line. And was the son of a successful merchant. Son of a successful merchant means father was merchant. Now, will you write merchant or successful merchant? Because it is one word only. Yeah, some people will write successful also. Full answer, full band. Yeah, exactly. So the answer is merchant. Absolutely. After that, there is no question, and you can see there is a gap. Gap means you need to come a couple of paragraphs. Now, we come to question number 10, and that is, people bought Henderson's photos because photography took up considerable time and the dash was heavy. Listen, something related to photography was heavy. Camera was heavy and all that. And you will find this answer after 1866. So please come back. After 1866, something was heavy. Found it? Okay, it's the first paragraph on second page. First paragraph on second page. Right? Now something was heavy. Listen, look here. For heavy, look for the word weight. When something is heavy, it has weight. Right? So please look for the word weight. Yeah, the last 4 lines. I'm going to read it from 1, 2, 3, fourth last line. There was little competing hobby. Everyone found it? Please make sure. There was little competing hobby. Got it? Okay, now let's read from here. There was little competing hobby or amateur photography before the late 1880s because of the time-consuming techniques involved and the weight of the... Now listen, weight of the equipment means equipment was heavy. Absolutely. So the answer is heavy. Okay, answer is equipment. Good job. Understand? Equipment was heavy. Weight of the equipment, right? He is heavy and his weight is like that, okay? They are type A questions. They are in order. हाँ मैं दसांगा अभी बताया है ना उधर क्या है इधर जो बताऊंगा वही उधर काम आना है अच्छा उधर ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आएंगे तो फिर हाँ आपने खुद जज करना है बाय क्वेश्चन टाइप ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स आर इन ऑर्डर राइट उसके बाद देन वी गॉट दिस सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स आर इन ऑर्डर इसको लिखते जाएं साथ साथ ठीक है Okay guys, let's go on. Question number 11 is close to question number 10. So in the next few lines you will find the answer. Question 11. Photographs Henderson sold were dash or souvenirs. Two things. Either dash or souvenirs. Answer is going to come with souvenirs, but they will replace souvenirs with something else. Please come back. Same paragraph. Same paragraph. Third last line. People wanted to buy photographs. Now, people wanted to buy photographs mean photographs Henderson sold. Are you there? Good. People wanted to buy photographs as souvenirs of a trip or as gifts. So, first thing is souvenirs. Second is gifts. And what is written there? Yeah, gifts or souvenirs. So, the answer is gifts. Very good. All right, next, last thing, question number 12. But before question number 12, they've given 1870s and 1880s, Quebec and Ontario. Found it? Where is it? It's the third last paragraph. Now, let's read the question. I'm reading question number 12. Okay, travel widely and then they say, took many trips along eastern rivers in a dash. In a dash means name of area, rivers. The location of, no, it can be the location of rivers or it can be the mode of transport. For example, took many trips along eastern rivers in a boat, in a ship, in a yacht, or anything like that. Okay, please come back. In a. I'm reading this paragraph. Please follow me. Third last paragraph. In the 1870s and 1880s, Henderson traveled widely throughout Quebec and Ontario in Canada, documenting the major cities of the two provinces and many of the villages in Quebec. But Quebec is not the answer, okay? Don't be just misguided. He was especially fond of the wilderness and often traveled by canoe. He traveled by canoe and traveled by canoe, and there they said here, took many trips along eastern rivers in a canoe. It's a small boat, small ship, canoe. On the Blanche, that is on, not in. On the Blanche. Blanche is the name of area. Name of the river. Yeah, exactly. I've written it here. They've mentioned it down there. Name of river. Okay? So, now listen. If you put the word in a Blanche, that cannot be right. And one more thing. Blanche starts with capital B. Capital B means it's a proper noun. With the names of proper nouns, we don't use a. We can never say Lahore, London, America, not like that, okay? So this is what they check your grammatical understanding in IELTS reading. Let's go on. Question number 13. Worked for CPR. What is clue word? Canadian Pacific Railways, 1885. And photographed the dash and the railway. Two things. He photographed dash and the railway. Please come back. Third last paragraph, and I'm going to read it from second last line. Third last line, in 1885, found it? Okay, in 1885, he went west along the Canadian Pacific Railway. Everyone there? Yes, sir. Good. Third last paragraph, second last line. As far as Rogers Pass in British Columbia, where he took photographs of mountains and the progress of construction. Construction of what? Railway line. So for that they use progress of construction. What will be the answer? Mountains, absolutely. And what is for progress of construction? Railway. Because they were constructing the railway. So the correct answer is mountains. Good.